Hello friends, we are from Suradikara Ende Catholic High School from class 11-9. We will describe the Saga traditional village. Introduce, my name is Athanasius Pradotapo.
My name is Maro Fisigres Jakuzi.
My name is Brian Julian Roraga.
Enjoy the video. Yeah, and this is a place for the traditional Saga village community to perform to traditional dance, namely Gavi.
And this is the traditional house for the Limbu tribal chief.
The roof use alang-alang and palm fiber, which are formed into pyramids, and the walls use wooden planks in the shape of blocks. And the traditional houses here are dominated by brown because they are not painted.
This is the limit of our research because above this is a scare place that cannot be entered by outsiders.